Hey everyone! Did you know that the quest for perfect numbers has puzzled mathematicians for over 2 millennia? What makes a number perfect in the eyes of math? In this video, you will explore the fascinating world of perfect numbers, their history, and why they matter in mathematics today. So let's dive right in. Alright, so what exactly is a perfect number? A perfect number is a positive integer that is equal to the sum of its proper divisors, excluding itself. For example, 6 is considered perfect because its divisors are 1, 2, and 3, and when you add those up, you get 6. Pretty neat, right? But here's the kicker. These numbers are extremely rare and can be quite tricky to find. Throughout history, mathematicians have grappled with identifying perfect numbers, and many have dedicated their lives to this quest. From ancient Greece to the modern era, the search for these elusive numbers has been a real mathematical challenge. Now let's take a moment to explore the rich history surrounding perfect numbers. The concept of perfect numbers dates back to the great mathematician Euclid around 300 BC, who described the first known perfect number, 6. He also linked perfect numbers to another exciting concept called Mersenne primes. These are prime numbers that can be expressed in the form of 2 to the power of p minus 1, where p itself is a prime number. For every Mersenne prime, there's a corresponding perfect number. For instance, when p equals 2, we get 3, which leads to the perfect number 6. Fast forward to today, and mathematicians are still discovering new Mersenne primes, which means new perfect numbers. Some notable figures in this journey include Geekformath, who famously conjectured about perfect numbers, and more recently, the likes of Carl Friedrich Gauss, and even modern computer scientists who have utilized technology to uncover new findings. Now let's get to the exciting part. Before we dive into the modern discoveries, don't forget to subscribe to this geekformath channel for more fantastic math content. Recently, there have been some groundbreaking discoveries regarding perfect numbers. In fact, the largest known perfect number was discovered just a few years ago in 2018, thanks to an international collaboration of mathematicians and computer enthusiasts working together. They found a new Mersenne prime, which led to the identification of a perfect number that has over 49 million digits. This is a huge leap forward in our understanding and shows just how much potential there is for discovery in this area. Researchers are continually exploring the relationships between perfect numbers, Mersenne primes, and even delving into their implications in fields like cryptography and computer science. Who knows what future discoveries might reveal? To wrap things up, the significance of perfect numbers cannot be overstated. These mathematical gems have intrigued scholars since ancient times and continue to fascinate mathematicians today. They serve as a reminder of the timeless mystery of numbers and the endless possibilities that lie within mathematics. As we continue to explore the depths of math, perfect numbers will remain a captivating topic, bridging ancient theories with modern discoveries. So what do you think about perfect numbers? Do they pique your curiosity? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out my other videos on mathematical mysteries. Until next time, keep questioning the world around you. Subscribe for more amazing math content.